What energy price changes does Fed's Williams expect to help reduce inflation? The surprising role of energy costs could be key to taming rising prices faster than you think. Energy prices are a major driver of inflation. When oil and natural gas prices rise, the cost of everything from transportation to manufacturing increases. Fed's Williams notes that recent shifts in energy prices are crucial because they directly affect consumer prices and business expenses. If energy costs stabilize or fall, it can ease inflation pressures across many sectors, helping to slow overall price increases. Williams expects that as the Federal Reserve's policies take effect, energy prices will start to moderate. He suggests that cooler demand for oil and gas, combined with increased supply, will help reduce energy prices. This easing in energy costs is seen as a vital element for bringing down overall inflation rates, since energy expenses are embedded in many goods and services. The Fed is watching these trends closely as part of its inflation fight. When energy prices fall, it lowers transportation and manufacturing costs, which then reduces prices for many consumer goods. Williams highlights this chain reaction as essential to reducing inflation sustainably. By expecting energy price changes to help curb inflation, the Fed signals that energy markets' behavior will be a key indicator of economic health in the near future. Fed's Williams sees energy price changes as a powerful lever to help reduce inflation. Understanding this connection reveals how intertwined energy markets are with your everyday expenses. For more surprising insights on economic shifts affecting your wallet, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.